So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it, which is now going to reset the Microsoft Store cache. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Now you're going to click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you're going to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.